Hey, to change your password using the mobile Pinterest application, first you have to click Saved in the right bottom corner and then tap on the right upper corner on the settings. Then from here you will have to click on Account Management and you will have to go into the password. So click to change the password, and first you have to input the new password and then you will have to confirm with the same new created password. If you're gonna input your password, I can recommend you to click on this icon so you will be able to actually see your password. It will be easier to input the same password below. And if you change it, just click down in the right upper corner. And if you try to use very common passwords, like for example, I would like to change from 1 to 8, we can actually check if you can do this. And I'm clicking here to see if this password is correct. So I'm clicking done. And as you can see, it doesn't let me use this simple password. So you have to make a little bit more complicated password, like for example, use the big letters and other special characters. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.